Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and today we're going to be unboxing the Dirty Dozen from Fox Farms. So what I have here is the Dirty Dozen starter kit from Fox Farms Soil and Fertilizer Company. Now, Fox Farms is one of my go-tos when I go to companies for buying different nutrients and things. For instance, I love Fox Farms Ocean Forest potting soil. But what we have here is the nutrient lineup to get the most bang for your buck and really get on the Fox Farms program. Now, do you need every single thing that comes in the Dirty Dozen? Nah, you don't need everything that comes in the Dirty Dozen, but it is a great introduction to Fox Farms and to figure out exactly what you want and what you need in your garden. So what comes in the Fox Farms Dirty Dozen? Well, let's go ahead and take a gander there real quick at what's in there. So you get some Tiger Bloom, Big Bloom, Grow Big, Kangaroots, Micro-Brew, Sledgehammer, Boomerang, Flower Kiss, Foliar Feed, some Bembe, Open Sesame, Beastie Blooms, and Cha-ching! So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside, see how it's packaged. Well, you kind of know what's inside, but we're going to get a little more intimate with what's inside. So we open it up and bam, there you go, packaged very nicely. It says look inside for your Fox Farms feeding schedule and amazing products. Okay, well, let's find out what that's all about. So let's pop this there. Oh, and there we go. We'll put that young man right there. And we have a product catalog with all your fine Fox Farms products. And then here you'll have your feeding schedules. I'm familiar with Fox Farms already, so I know what this is, and I've actually showed you guys this in the garden before, but it's got soil feeding schedule as well as hydroponic feeding schedules, and then different feeding schedule for Happy Frog too. So they've got a couple different programs. Now what Fox Farms has done is they've set this up for success with certain flowering plants. If you're into certain kinds of flowering plants, well, this regimen following their feeding schedule will set you up for success. For instance, we'll just go ahead and we'll grab the soil feeding schedule right off the bat. So there you go. It's got it at a 12-week schedule, and then it also tells you how to adjust the schedule for extended times. And basically what they're doing is they're giving you an indoor schedule is what they're really doing, is doing a 3-month indoor schedule for certain kinds of flowering plants, if you're into those kind of flowering plants. I mean, that's basically what Fox Farms is catering to. Now we'll put that aside here and we'll take a look. So the basics of the Fox Farms program is your Grow Big, your Big Bloom, and your Tiger Bloom. You can get away with just using these 3 products right here. Now this is actually an organic product, and it is derived from earthworm castings and bat guano. Also has like some seabird guano and some good stuff like that, some rock phosphate, some potash, magnesia, and some kelp. So fantastic right there. And then this is mainly for vegetative, and it's got your magnesium, iron, zinc, those good things in there. 644 for veg. And then you use the Big Bloom pretty much throughout the whole thing, and then for your bloom time when you want flowers to come, you use your Tiger Bloom. And that program will suit you just fine, but then you can go even deeper and, you know, get even better results once you start using things like, what do we got over here? The micro-brew and the kangaroos. Now, what are these products? Well, these products have lots of nice mycorrhiza and bacterial properties, your good bacilluses. And so kangaroos and the micro-brew are basically the same thing, just in different strengths. And then you have your foliar feed here, which this is for vegetative use only, guys. So once you do see a first pistil, stop spraying that. Then this kit also comes with a fabulous bit of FoxFarm swag. That's right, some measuring spoons, and it's a swivel spoon. So pretty cool. Really stoked on getting that. Now, to finish up, well, this is for hydroponic use right here, the sledgehammer. That's for a flush. And then you've got some comeback formula here. And I am not sure exactly what the comeback formula is for. Let's see, it says, in case you have stress. So if you have any stress, that's what the boomerang's for. So you can bring your plant back out of stress with some boomerang here. And then the Bembe, this is, I believe, to finish up flowers. And it says, can help plants achieve enhanced sweetness qualities while providing a food source for the microbial populations at the root zone. Oh, that sounds fantastic, the Bembe. And then when you're ready to finish up and you want your flowers to become full, big, and open, you start with some cha-ching. Then you start cutting the nitrogen out with some open sesame. And then once you get to the last couple weeks, you give it some beastie blooms, and look at the nutrients on that. All potassium and phosphorus. That's right, that's how you get big, fat, juicy buds. So that's basically what comes in the FoxFarm's Dirty Dozen. It is a fantastic starter pack for you if you're just starting a grow. Fantastic for hydroponics. I'm actually using this in my air cube system, so you can follow along with that. And I've also started a deep water culture that I'm using this Dirty Dozen in as well. If you'd like an easy to follow along, what I would call a no-brainer system, go out, get yourself the FoxFarm's Dirty Dozen and get out there, grow your favorite flowering plants. And if you want a fantastic soil as well, get yourself some Ocean Forest by FoxFarms. No affiliation whatsoever, guys. I just like these products and I like FoxFarms. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.